I'm excited to review this chair with you today. Just first thing, pulling this out of the box, it's very comfortable. Like this seat here and the backrest feel really comfy, and it comes with all the parts to put it together and the tools. So let's get this put together, and I'll show you how that process looks like, and also how comfortable this chair is. In total, this took me about 7 to 10 minutes to put together. So I want to tell you a couple things about this. So you've got this nice ergonomic chair. You've got this backrest that is going to be very breathable. And so if you're sitting in your chair all day for work or recreational things, you're not going to be as sweaty on your back, which is really nice. It has this lumbar support on the back where you can turn it clockwise, and it reduces the amount of lumbar support. Turn it counterclockwise, and it will push this support pillow into your low back, give you a little bit more support. On each of these armrests, these can move up if you want to get those out of your way, or put them down if you want to just have some good armrests. And then this has a lever to increase or decrease the height of the chair. And as you put pressure on it or weight and push down, make sure you pull this and it will go down a little bit lower. Another part is if you pull this out, this will lean back, or you push it in and it locks it in place. So let me just show you what that looks like when you're sitting in the chair. So I've got this all the way up. I'm gonna put this down, and then I can't lean back with this, but I can pull this out and then lean back. I'm really happy with the comfort that this chair provides. I've had an office chair for about 5 years, and it's getting pretty old, so I'm really excited to swap these out and start using this one. It's very comfortable. I'm really happy with the armrests, as well as the cushion it gives when I'm sitting down, again, at my desk all day. It's just a lot more comfort since I'm going to be doing this a lot more. So if you're looking for a really simple to put together office chair, one that's ergonomic, going to give you the lumbar support you need, and it's just really comfortable, definitely check this one out.